Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video, I'm walking you around an install that we've just carried out to a brand new Ford Focus. We've integrated a reversing camera into the factory screen. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's get into it. So let's talk you through the actual installation process, but also how the system actually looks on these brand new Fords. We work day in and day out for main dealerships across Cambridgeshire, and this is no other exception. This is a brand new car in from Ford in Cambridge. We've integrated a reversing camera into the factory screen. So the car had from stock no camera. It did have sensors, but no camera option. We've got what's called a ProFit camera at the back. It's a wedge style design, really discreet, gone into pretty much a manufacturer location. Then what we've done is run a physical cable lead all the way to the front, going into what's called a control box. Basically on these Ford Focuses, quite a lot of the car does need to come to part. However, we've done plenty of them and we know exactly what we're doing. So you'll know your car is in the trusted hands of a professional. In terms of what we've done here, we've got an interface that basically allows that screen to change over to actually allow for a camera image to display on the factory screen. Vehicle came into us with the brand new Sync 3 system, which we can go into software levels on your actual unit and actually see what exact sync system they have, and that's what we need to know. Or send over some pictures of the actual dashboard with your menu screen being displayed, and we can just double check everything and make sure we get the quote completely accurate for you. If you are interested in something like this, make sure you get in touch, drop us a message on any of our social media platforms and we'll go through everything step by step with you. In terms of what you get is, as soon as you engage reverse, you get a crystal clear image live directly full size on that factory screen of the reversing camera. There's no moving guidelines or anything like that. It's just a clear, crystal clear image. We can add fixed guidelines on there for you. However, generally speaking, on all the Focus or Ford stuff that we do, we always leave it clear because it's just a nice clean image for you guys to help you guys while you're parking. So if you are interested in something like this, make sure you get in touch. All of our links will be below, but make sure you have already subscribed to the YouTube channel as well. Like, share the video. But thank you very much for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.